Consider two cases as below. Case 1. A company buys 1000 pieces per year of a certain part from vendor X. The changeover time is 2 hours and the price is rupees 10 per piece. The holding cost rate per part is 10% per year. Case 2. For the same part, another vendor Y offers a design where the changeover time is 6 minutes with a price of rupees 5 per piece and a holding cost rate per part of 100% per year. The order size is 800 pieces per year from X and 200 pieces per year from Y. Assume the cost of downtime as rupees 200 per hour. The percentage reduction in annual cost for case 2 as compared to case 1 is dash. Round this. Okay, so basically this is a question from inventory control. Let's try to calculate the annual cost. Let's proceed to the solution. First, let us try to understand and calculate the annual cost for case 1. It is given that the demand D is equal to 1000 pieces. Let us consider that as economic order quantity Q. It is also given the changeover time is 2 hours. It is given that cost of downtime is rupees 200 per hour, but the changeover time is 2 hours. So the total cost of downtime will become rupees 400. Unit cost is given as rupees 10 per piece. And holding cost is given as 10% of unit cost, which is nothing but 1 rupee. Okay, we know that the total annual cost can be written as unit cost multiplied by demand plus demand by order quantity multiplied by the downtime cost plus order quantity by 2 multiplied by the holding cost. Substituting all the values here will give us the total annual cost in the first case will be rupees 10,900. Similarly, when we go ahead for case 2, it is given that the demand is 800 pieces per year from vendor X and 200 pieces per year from vendor Y. Here it is given that the changeover time is 6 minutes. So when we try to calculate the total cost of downtime, it will be 6 minutes converted into hours by dividing with 60 and multiplying with 200. That will give us the total cost of downtime as rupees 20. Okay. So next it is given that the unit cost is rupees 5 and the holding cost is also rupees 5. Now the total annual cost in case 2 will be annual cost from vendor X plus annual cost from vendor Y. So this can be written as same formula repeated for both the vendors. So when we substitute that, we will get here we are writing the unit price as 10 because this particular product corresponds to the vendor X. So according to vendor X given in case 1, it was given that unit price is 10. But when you come to vendor Y, the unit price will be rupees 5, which is considered here. So when we substitute the corresponding values and simplify, we will get the total annual cost according to case 2 will be rupees 10,320. So the percentage reduction will be rupees 10,900 minus 10,320 by 10,900 into 100. That will give us the percentage reduction of total annual cost from case 2 when compared to case 1 will be 5.32%.